Good evening. This is the old car junkie, Teddy, to some folks. I just want to say I appreciate the fact that I've finally reached a 100 number on subscribers to the channel. And that's thanks to everybody that has been helping push my channel out. I know I can give some thanks to Mo Bang for your bucks and my everyday life in Cyprus, Dawn, and I would thank Ava and Doug on Ava and Doug's Potterfields and Friends channel. They gave me help, I know that. And I would imagine Kenny, aka the Ford Man, or Ford Man, aka Kenny. He's helped me, I know that for sure. And Anjay and the Homestead Farms of Andale Homestead Farms. She's a wonderful person, as I've found all of the internet or all of the YouTube people that I associate with are very kind, very loving, want each and every one of us to do very well. And I thank you for that. And I appreciate everybody that has subscribed and everybody that has helped push my channel out and has made this a worthwhile adventure. 100 Sunday afternoon. Thank you. Thank you very much. Love you guys.